Okay, Teach Me TV, we are back again with another excellent video. I hope all is well with you and yours. Today, I want to take the time to explain what I do every day to scale my business. Remember that the little things you do every day create significant things you will be doing later. The first thing is I plan my day. Planning your day gives you the discipline to allocate your time, so that every minute of the hour, you're pushing towards a goal. When becoming productive, you must wrap yourself in this new way of thinking. Put away your phone, turn off any and every distraction. Having those kinds of devices around will only prolong your objective to get things done. If your business is selling information or creating content, there needs to be a system to plan and strategize how you go through that process. The second thing is to look for offers. Let us do a JVZoo search really quick. Sometimes you have to look for other avenues to find offers that convert. Many times, people like to go for the home run with the higher ticket offers. That's fine, I get it. Go big or go home. But sometimes you can get more sales with the lower ticket items. Yes, the commissions are smaller but more frequent. Imagine getting commissions of $35 100 times a week. That can really add up, right? What I'm saying is that the lower ticket items can sell just as well. More people are willing to spend small first before spending big money with you later. Keep this in mind. What do you do before you spend a more considerable sum of money? It should never be an impulse purchase, but a thought-out one. But do whatever makes you comfortable. The third pain. Ask yourself this. How will you promote your offers now that you have them? Here is a quick guide for your marketing plan. Email marketing. What kind of copy will attract potential customers to want to take a look at this offer? Making sure that the offer fits the niche that you are promoting in. Paying attention to your CTA. Funnels. Using websites and capture pages to grab leads. Lining your offers to maximize your earning potential. Sending customers to your offer. Paid ads. Solo ads. Using platforms like Udemy to send traffic. The link is in the description. Twitter ads. SEO. Google ads. Facebook ads. YouTube ads. Here is a 4-step process to produce a value-based video. We want to make sure that we over-deliver on your learning experience here at Teach Me TV. 1. Short introduction. Keep it straight to the point. People have busy lives and want their information in good chunks. 2. Ask a question. What void can you fill for the consumer? What problem can you help solve? 3. Answer the question. Demonstrate how you can help with this problem. 4. Call to action. Tell them where they can go to get this problem resolved. Next, I want to share with you a list of the top 10 content creation ideas that have benefited me and I'm sure will benefit you as well. Take a look at it and save for your records. I will leave a link in the description that you can have. Most marketers won't share their secrets, but I want you to succeed. I truly feel helping people even in the slightest way is an accomplishment. We all need help in some form or fashion. This is how we do it here at Teach Me TV. We hope that you found tremendous value in this video. If you did, then hit the like button to help us spread the word. Also hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all the upcoming content on this channel. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.